Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete custom roles on Wix. So normally once you're on Wix, you can create roles by clicking the three dots on the upper right, go to invite collaborators. And this is a fast way that you can use to create custom roles by going down to the bottom, click and create custom roles and then basically fill it and give the permission. However, in this section, you're not able to delete the custom role because as you can see, I can see the custom role right here, but the tree that's on the right doesn't allow me to delete it. However, if you want to delete a custom role, you have to go to settings on the left hand side. So you look to the left hand side, click on settings, and under this section here, you will scroll down and there's going to be an option for roles, right? So you'll find out the general roles and permissions. You click on that and you will be able to see where it gives you the option for manage roles. So in the upper right hand side, you have manage roles. You click on that and you can also invite collaborators from here as well, and you can create roles as well. But on this section, you can see that their custom role is there. And if you click the three dots on the right hand side from here, you can delete the role. So that's how you remove the role or delete the role on Wix. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.